We take water.
Okay, do you know how to open? Yeah. Look, tanawa siya, guys.
That's mommy.
Huh?
It's like this.
Like this? Okay, show mommy how.
Not supposed to ride it.
You wanna ride it, na?
Put her on the chair.
See, you have to put something here, nako.
Put Parcel on the chair.
No. Very excited.
Put Parcel on the chair, mommy.
Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Happy Thursday, everyone. Kakatapos ko lang mag-work and you know what guys, today sobrang strange kasi mag-isa lang ako dito sa bahay guys. Iniwan ako ni Daddy Mike. Si Daddy Mike hindi nag-work sa bahay today. Bumalik siya ng opisina nila for the first time in 7 months or 8 months, I guess. So, I think for just one day, guys. I think just for today, bumalik siya kasi may kailangan talaga siyang gawin sa opisina nila. So, I haven't seen Daddy Mike today. Kasi umalis siya, tulog pa kami ni Baby Paris kasi maaga. Si Daddy Mike umaalis kapag pumupunta siya ng opisina. Kaya, yeah, I miss him. It feels so strange here that I'm here all by myself all day. Si Baby Paris natin ay nasa childcare. And then, yeah, Daddy Mike will be home later tonight. Kakatapos ko nga lang mag-work, guys. I don't know if na-mention ko na. But yeah, I just finished work. And before natin pipikapin ang ating baby girl, I'm gonna go to a nail salon. Kasi tingnan nyo ang aking nails, guys. Oh, sobrang mahaba na siya. Especially ito. Oh, diba? Ito yung sinasabi ko guys, last time na sinabi ko sa inyo na hindi ko nagustuhan yung gawa nito. Kasi it was very thick. And yung tendency kasi guys, kapag thick yung paggagawa ng kuko, most likely parang nagka-crack siya sa ilalim. And then parang gakaokang siya ba? So yun yung nangyayari. And yeah, that's what happened to my nails. And then also this one. Oh, pero ito sila, humaba na talaga yung kuko ko. Ayan. Oh. Ayan. So, before natin puntahan si Baby Paris sa school niya, pupunta muna ako ng nail salon, guys. Ipagawa natin yung kuko natin quickly. I'm gonna get SNS again. Because, yeah, that's what I do with my nails. Hi, guys. So, kakabalik ko lang dito sa sasakyan. I will show you my new nails now, guys. I like this better than the last one, to be honest. Sobrang nagandahan ako, guys. Let me know what you think. Oh, diba? Ang ganda-ganda ng kulay niya, guys. It's very nude. Very neutral na kulay. Ayan. So, mas nakakaputi siya ng kamay. Ayan. Oh. Tapos kasi medyo mas mahaba yung kuko ko ngayon, obviously. So, mas maganda yung pagka-shape ng almond niya, guys. Ayan. Oh, dito. Ayan. Very happy about that one, guys. Now, I'm going to drive. Pipick upin na natin ang ating baby girl. I super miss her now, guys. For sure, naghihintay na yun siya dun, guys. Kawawa naman yung aking baby. But yeah, I'm gonna see you soon. Hi. Where's your water bottle? What's that?
It's a Christmas tree.
A what?
It's a Christmas tree.
A Christmas tree? Go get your water bottle, Anna. So we can go. Daddy's waiting. Where's the go?
Let's read some books, Mommy.
Allah, read some books. Daddy's waiting na.
Read some books, Mommy.
I've got something for you in the car.
She said me, Mommy. Come on, me, Mommy. Let's read some books.
Read some books? Okay. Okay, can you read Mommy book, please?
Mommy, you read it.
No, you read it for Mommy, please.
I can read it, Mommy. I read it first.
Okay. Hi, friends,
I
please.
can find Sophia off.
Say hi, friends.
I can find
Tingnan niyo, guys, oh. Ang ating baby girl ay hindi daw nakikinig today. Anak. Anak, were you naughty today, Nak? Come on. Come on. Come on, so we can go. No more? Do you want more water? Okay, we'll go get more water. What is it, Baba?
Me? It's going to big one.
That's a big one. What are they eating?
It's what? What's that, mommy?
What's that? What are they eating, Baba?
They're eating this one, mommy.
That's cucumber.
Mom?
Say cucumber.
Why was it small?
Where's the small one?
Ah.
Oh, ito yung kanilang fish.
This is big one, Cleo.
Where's the small one?
Oh, look at this. Look, this one is this.
Come on, let's get it. Daddy is waiting. Come on.
It's purple.
Yes.
It's diaper.
Okay, go. Go. Woo! Careful.
Let's go.
Ready, steady?
I'm gonna go to school, mommy.
You wanna go to school?
Yes.
No, you just finished school.
Yay!
Woo! You just finished school. Careful. Look where you're going. Hey, careful. There's a car, ha? No, 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 no.
We take water.
Okay, do you know how to open?
Here.
Here, where?
Here, mommy. It didn't work.
Doesn't work? Yeah. Look, ako siya, guys.
That's mommy.
Huh?
It's like this.
Like this? Okay, show mommy how. Wow. No. No. What happened?
I did it.
You did it. Come on na. Guys, kakapark lang namin dito sa labas ng bahay. Pick upin namin si Daddy Mike, ang ating baby girl. Nandiyan na sa likod. Oh. Pick upin lang natin si Daddy Mike kasi may pupuntahan kami, guys. Pipick upin namin yung Christmas gift natin for Daddy Mike at siya yung pumili nito and ipapakita ko sa inyo mamaya kung ano yung regalo natin sa kanya for Christmas. But for now, yung may-ari kasi, guys, sabi niya hindi siya makakauwi hanggang 7:30 ata tonight. So it's currently 6:40. So yung gagawin namin, hindi na lang kami magluluto ng dinner. Straight na lang kami doon sa KFC kasi gusto ko rin kumain ng fried chicken, guys. So yes, straight kami doon. Tapos doon na siguro kami kakain. And then from there, we'll go pick up Daddy Mike's Christmas gift. Hi, Daddy Mike.
Hello.
Have a look at Daddy Mike, guys. A new person without the beard. Tingnan nyo, guys, oh. Oh, diba? Sobrang soft. Pakita, Daddy. Show. Oh. very clear, clean skin.
Young man.
Very young. Anyways, how's your day, Daddy? In the office?
I was okay, except for terribly missing you guys.
Yeah, I told him before, like, I was feeling strange. Yeah, before, because it was just me at home by myself.
Did you miss me?
Yeah, that's why I said I miss you. It was, yeah, I'm not used to it anymore.
6 o'clock.
You ready, Paris?
Yes.
Ready, steady, go! Alright, guys, we'll see you soon. We're here now, guys. Lumabas na lang kami para makalabas din si Baby Paris ba. And I think it's okay na mag-dine in now, so I will just eat here. KFC! Eating kana.
What kind of papa?
Big girl. Ayan, meron silang ganyan, guys, oh. Ayan na, guys, ang aming nabili. So, this is the frozen Pepsi. And this one, the popcorn chicken for Paris. She loves that one. Go figure. Pag sa bahay, hindi siya kumakain. Pag dito, kumakain siya. And then, I've got the Wicked Wings. Yan. Ayaw kumain ni Daddy Mike, guys, kasi gusto niyang, healthy. This is unhealthy. Yummy. Do you like it? Oh, do you like my nails, Daddy?
Yes.
They're working there.
Huh?
They're working.
It's not broken anymore. Do you like it now? Have a look. It's brand new.
What color is that, honey?
Purple.
Yay!
Purple. Have a look. Have a look. Tell me if you like it.
It's fixing.
Do you like it?
It's fixing.
Yeah, the doctor fixed it. It's broken before, yes?
What color is Daddy's?
Big girl, big girl.
It's a dusty girl.
What color is Daddy's nails?
What color is Daddy's nails? Pink.
What color?
Do you like Daddy's nails?
Look at my nails.
What color is Paris's?
It's this pink.
Yay!
You the same with Daddy, yeah? Big girl, big girl, big girl. We're here.
Tito,
Daddy,
we get the bike from Tito, okay?
we can take to Paris.
Uy, what happened to your clothes? Oh, look. Huh? What happened? So dito lang yung car guys kasi yung bahay nila is dyan paliko. Then you'll see what we gonna get for Daddy Mike sa Christmas. Daddy, it's an early Christmas gift for you.
Thank you. Salamat.
Salamat po. Salamat po. Tingnan niyo ang kanilang parking guys. Oh, pababa. There it is. Hello, how are you?
going.
Wow. Is that your bike na? Yan guys, yan yung Christmas gift natin for Daddy Mike. Kasi gusto niya ng bike para daw ma-ride niya kung saan-saan siya pupuntan for ano ba, health and fitness niya. I-adjust muna nila kasi sobrang ano, taas. Oh. Second hand lang yan siya guys. Ayan, okay lang din naman yan. Wala namang problema sa amin kahit second hand. Mahal din kahit second hand guys. Uy. That particular one is $350. Ayan. Ano yung regalo natin kay Daddy Mike for Christmas? Maagang Pamasko galing kay Mami. Huh? You wanna ride it, na?
Put her on the chair.
See, you have to put something here, nako.
Put Paris on the chair.
No. I'm excited.
Put Paris on the chair, mommy.
Daddy's going. See? See? Daddy Mike will ride it home, guys, kasi hindi kakasya sa sasakyan. Luckily, hindi naman malayo yung pinagbilhan namin ng bike na yan. Kaya... Where's our car? Daddy? Daddy will ride it home. We'll see Daddy at home and we ride the bike when we get home, okay? Paris? Good girl. Don't cry. You're a good girl. Come on, Daddy, have a look at it. Come on, show Daddy. Quick.
A little bit older than Paris. Hey, but they're talking. Nah, she's disgusting. She's riding the bike properly now.
Like me.
Manggayang sagbot na. Okay, turn. Sige.
Mama, help me!
Oh, help me. Turn. Liga. Okay.
That one is my bike?
Daddy's gonna ride his bike too. Come on, go. Race with Daddy.
Daddy,
Careful, Paris, where you going? Oh my God.
that one is my bike, Daddy?
Uy, kaisog pa.
That one is my bike, Daddy? That one is my bike on me? Daddy?
Yeah.
Daddy!
Yes, Paris.
I want to carry some bike.
I'm watching you.
I want to ride the bike, Daddy.
She wants you to ride the bike with her. Sige, go on na.
That one come. Daddy, for my truck? Then for your bike, Daddy.
Hello guys, good evening. What time is it now? It's 8:50 ng gabi and you know what? continuation na lang to siya kasi careful anak, kasi nung inedit ko yung video guys, hindi ko pala natapos yung video na yun where I bought that bike for Daddy Mike para sa early Christmas gift natin sa kanya, and then yun, wala palang ending, kaya ayan, lagyan natin ng ending ngayon. Say hi tita. Hi tita and tito.
Hi, Tito and Didi.
Ay, hindi kasi ako mapakali guys kapag yung video natin walang ending, tapos walang shout out, parang walang closure ba, ganon. Oh, may ganong factor. Kaya yun, i-end natin. And yeah, I just want to say thank you to everyone sa patuloy na panonood ng aming mga videos. Sana alam nyo na appreciate ko kayong lahat. And sa mga bago nating subscribers, of course, welcome sa ating channel. And sana na-i-enjoy nyo yung mga vlogs natin. Say, thank you everyone! Say, thank you everyone! But yeah, before natin i-end guys, of course, mag-shoutout tayo. And the first, ayun, anak, mag-shoutout sa anak. First shoutout goes to Crispina Palma from California. Hello po! Shoutout to Olivia Belza Morales from Bicol. Shoutout to Janzi Pinay, Australia. Edeline Manosa, Jovey Esin, Emelita Gonzalez, Mad Brat, Carl Ayesha, A. Huablar, Sally Saminiano, Fedis Paging, Pagayon Pastrana, shout out to Riz Tamayo, Beauty S, Yet Balino, Vicky Inot, Frencel Anora TV, Loleta Fabiliar, Elsa Serrano, Joanne Ambe, Marlene De Malanta, and Lisan Bansil. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Thumbs up na! Thumbs up if you like it. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,